Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing again. Today we got a little Dollar General haul here. Went to several Dollar Generals. Got a few cars. So let's get started. Got the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. It's also comes in a red. Also comes in a red. It's pretty neat though. I like this car. We've got a 23 Ram 1500. It's a new for 2024. It's pretty nice. We've got a 49 Drag Merc. 49 Drag Merc, that's weird looking. Silver. It's from the Rolling Metal. It's alright. We've got a Max Steel. Little Max Steel Roadster. I think it's a 2025. Well, that's pretty cool. We've got a 76 Greenwood Corvette. Looks alright. HW modified. And we got a Volvo P1800 gasser. Which I think it also comes in a Super Treasure Hunt. But I haven't found it yet. But I like these old gassers. I want to do a gasser video. I got a custom 72 Chevy Love. Card got bent up right there. I didn't even see it. Just had to open this one. And we got a birthday burner. I normally don't get these cars right here, but I did, so I got the Family Dollar protection sticker on it. Look at there. I guess it'll go off if you steal it, but they don't know it. People rip them out of the case, puts them in their pocket, then they steal them. HW Celebration Racers, the birthday burner. And we got another 62 Corvette gasser. That's pretty cool there. I like that one. Fast Fuely. Got a custom Ford Maverick. I like all them Mavericks. It's pretty nice. Muscle Mania. She looks like. We got a 90 Honda Civic EF VTEC. HW 70s versus 90s. we got the H.W. Braille Racer twin mill. Which I believe this is the first one that come out. Yep, new for 2023. First twin mill Braille car. Might be worth something someday, who knows? And we got a BMW M3 wagon. Pretty cool. Yeah, I got another 68 Dodge Dart Ram Charger. I like all them Ram Chargers. It's from Musclemania. And then I thought I'd throw in what they call the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Let me get it open here. Here we go. Just take them out. I have no clue what that thing is. I guess that is a 2Jet Z. 2Jet Z. See, can I get it out? Jet Z. What the heck ever that is. Never seen one, never heard of one. 2Jet Z. I know what this one is though. It's a 67 Pontiac GTO. I know what it is. It's pretty good. Yeah, I know what this one is too. The Bone Shaker. I don't know about the color of the tires though. Well, I guess it's all right. And then we got the Deora 2. The Deora. There's some surfboards on the back. I've never seen a Deora. But that's what that is. And then we got the Nash. That's an ugly little car. Look at the wheels. I don't even look right. Ugly. That thing is ugly. Sticking out like that. Little patina look. But that is the Nash. Don't care if I see another one. And we got another twin mill. But anyway, that is the Hot Wheels Legend Tour pack. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the little video. Please like and subscribe. Be coming back with some more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Thank you. See you.